Dating is tricky. So, you're a model. More like a Model T Ford.
I thought you were interested in starting a family.
Well, I'm interested in practicing. You said you were a sporty woman in her late 20s. Well, 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Is it any surprise, given the exaggerated profiles, fake photos and numerous online dating scams, when nobody responds to your winks, emails or chat requests, let alone agrees to meet? Instead, after a verifier from Seen4Real has met you personally, you can just share your verified profile with other responsible daters who will trust you are who you say you are. You'll attract them from behind their computers and get lots more dates. Would you risk dating a stranger without even knowing who they really are? Neither would they.